Welcome back to Cancer with Joy TV. I'm your host, Joy Huber. Today, I want to share a helpful resource in the government website section of the resources chapter at the end of Cancer with Joy. Let's take a look at Healthcare.gov. Welcome to Healthcare.gov. Today we take a few minutes and look around this website. This is listed on page 128 in your book in the Cancer Resources chapter that's got 25 pages of resources that you really need to know about at diagnosis. Like I said, this is on page 128 in the government website section. There's some really cool things here I want to show you. First, here across the top, you could click to find insurance options now, and I'll show you. It says see which public, private, and community programs meet your needs, and it lets you pick by state and then what best describes you. So you would just fill that in. It says just 2 quick steps there to help you find insurance options. Here, prepare for the health insurance marketplace, talks about it, getting ready to enroll, breaks on costs, and for small business. Here I want to spend a little bit of time, health insurance basics. Your company and costs of coverage, there's managing your insurance, there's understanding insurance, and I'll click on that. That way I can show you around here a bit more. And as we scroll down, there's insurance basics. How much will it cost? Can you keep your doctor? What products look like health insurance but aren't? This guide has the answers. So again, you can click on that, and then you can click on each specific question. What's not health insurance? And it will take you right to that area and give you more information. And then there's a good consumer checklist here, what to look for in a health insurance policy. And they give links. If you have questions, call your state's Department of Insurance. I can click and go right there and pick out the state that I'm in. If I'm in Kansas, right, then it gives the information there at the bottom, or I can click on that. But I'm going to back out of this. I just wanted to show you a specific page there, and we'll back up. So insurance basics, and then employers and self-employed. You know, if you're self-employed like I am, small business, large business, you can click there and get some additional information. Here, the healthcare law and you can read the law if you want. I like this section, key features of the law. I'll click on and show you. It says we'll highlight new features of the law here as they roll out between now and 2014. You may be seeing this in 2014, and this may have changed. So if you're 65 or older, you could click on how are they strengthening Medicare and learn more. It looks like there's a video there. And for more information. So some great information here. I also want to point out this timeline, what's changing and when. I think this is an amazing feature. So basically they're showing you everything that's happened so far, and I can hover over each of those, or I can click, you know, cracking down on healthcare fraud. I want to read more about that. You click on it, and then it talks about what's going on. There's even an additional fact sheet I can click on. So basically I could click on each of these, and then I can also click to see what's yet to come. So what's happening in 2014, promoting individual responsibility. Let's say I want to click on that. I can see when it's effective, I can read a little bit, and then learn more about individual responsibility in the law. So I think that's really neat, the timeline, what's changing and when. And then I also want to show you this, prevention, wellness, and comparing providers, because again, this is a really interesting tool. Let me just show you here, you scroll down to the bottom, comparing care providers. Let's just say we want to compare hospitals. Visit the website, and you can pick basically where you live, or you can do a hospital search. But let's just say I live in Lansing, Michigan, and then we'll just say search hospitals. And then it says choose up to 3 hospitals to compare, and I'm just going to pick the first 3 here. I'm so glad I get to do these videos and show you around, because I think it's one thing to give the links and it's another thing to be able to show you. Now here I'm in the general information section, but see, you could click on any of these patient survey results, and you're comparing 3 hospitals in the Lansing, Michigan area, and you can see patients who reported that their nurses always communicated well. Pretty good discrepancy there.
Till the next episode of Cancer with Joy arrives in your inbox, I'm Joy Huber, encouraging you to check out our website for more information, cancerwithjoy.com. You can also spread the joy to others by liking Cancer with Joy on Facebook. And don't forget to follow us at Cancer with Joy on Twitter. I'll be talking to you again in a few days, and I hope you have a joyful week.